Hey guys, Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Recently, I had a chance to tour the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. It was an awesome experience. Check it out. Hey guys, Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and now is the time to get your homegrown tomatoes. Look at that beefsteak, that heirloom. The taste is amazing, and it pairs well with our fresh picked okra. So reach out to us if you want to enjoy this awesome combo with Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm and D&R Produce. Crimson Sweet, fresh, organic, local Crimson Sweet watermelon. Thanks again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What an awesome time I had at the farm of Bob and Deborah Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. And thank you again for having me out, and look forward to working with you and your farm this year in 2023. All right, guys, I'm Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. I'll see you in the next video.